Okay guys, this is like literally the first video we're gonna be doing on the car. So we got that Mountain B9 kit and we're gonna be doing the first part of it today before we do all the rest. So the first part today is gonna be this. It's our rear motor mount. And Super Jack's here, he's gonna help me because he actually knows how to work on cars.
That's right.
I just look at the pictures, think they're pretty. Got the car hooked up on the hoist, ready to go. So now all we gotta do first is we gotta take that boy off. That's the DMG Fab under tray. It's been awesome for the winter. The last one I had, met us on Instagram, but it was sagging, snow got underneath, it would freeze, it was just dog shit. So we're gonna take this guy off and then put the rear motor mount in. That's the plan. Okay, Super Jacked, since I'm a novice, can you tell the people what the fuck this thing does?
Yeah, so from factory you'll get rear motor mount that's generally a rubber, and this is a polyurethane, so it's a little bit stiffer. So what happens is your engine, when it comes into this being the rear mount, and your motor being positioned sideways, wants to roll as you give it power, give it some gas, motor wants to roll back. So this will help stiffen that up. You'll get a little bit more feel when it comes to inside the cab, like from the...
More vibrations.
Yeah, you get a little bit more vibrations and feel of the motor, and then you get a little bit less power loss in the back because it keeps this nice and stiff and rigid.
Take those right off. Yeah, don't take these guys off, these wings. Really, it's just the front three, and then take those front three right off. And then this whole thing should pop off. What's nice is there's that access door for the oil right there, which is kind of sick. Oh shit, you get that rust! Welcome to Canada. So that's the piece we're replacing. Right there. You just trying to crack it?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, you had some. Oh shit, guys, you gotta wear these pants when you're working on cars. Look at here, look, I can put all types of shit in here. Fucking, what you guys want? You want a little towel there too, maybe? This one goes in the back pocket. This one goes in the front pocket. You look like a gang member with that little towel hanging out. You got the old one. It's all rubber and.
This is actually quite a bit lighter.
Oh, weight savings.
Yeah. Lotus factory. Adds lightness.
Add lightness.
Yeah, the only catch to them
We
is...
keep this piece though.
Yeah, reuse this piece, that's the mount to the actual motor. And then this guy, the only thing you gotta worry about is logo down.
Yep.
Hook it back up.
Just like that.
Just like that. Put in stuff.
Then cargo burr, right?
I think it came with it.
Don't forget to lube up, as great advice for cars and for other things. Oh yeah!
That is the spot.
Here. Move. That's why I don't have to go for it. Yeah, be liberal with this stuff.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Use the whole thing. So, Sir Jack, why aren't you putting some in the hole?
Unnecessary.
Unnecessary. Okay, so don't lube up your hole. Just lube it in. Okay, this is how you get.
I don't want to dance around. That's what makes it happy.
First video we get demonetized. That actually looks so cool. So this is just where cooler. Yeah.
Drink the Kool-Aid.
Let me help you. Let me help you. I can, you know what? I'll do one thing and it will be. Spot. Okay, so we torqued that bolt to 80 foot-pounds, or pound-feet, sorry. And we did that guy right there too. Sorry, I'm just getting in your kitchen. Is this trouble? Right there. And now we're just trying to hand tighten this last one. But you can see the new motor mount. See? Can't see it. There it is. All right. Actually, extra 100 horsepower. Let's go. All right, so that's the rear motor mount install. So like first impressions of it when I first got it was it's like on their website, it's supposed to improve driving feel and throttle response feel. I don't know if that's true or not. I did notice more vibration for a little while, especially in the pedals and the steering wheel a little bit, and in the seat. And that's just simply because it was going from a rubber mount to like that polyurethane mount, which was really, really solid. So you could, but what was nice is it actually, and I read up on it, it actually broke in after a while, and it just feels completely normal. So what's really nice is like you don't really see the benefits of doing this mod. This is more of a supporting mod, where as you turn up the power, it's just going to stop that engine from rolling back, transfer more power and torque to the wheels. So it's definitely it's more of a supporting mod. It's not I mean, I wish it gave me 10 horsepower from it, but that's not how it works. So another update for you guys, we've done tons of work on Brian's 240 SX, like tons and tons of work, and we've been filming more of it when we actually know what we're kind of doing. So the footage coming out of that build has been really, really good. So we're excited to put out the videos for that. And what's cool about that car is we're getting really a little more in depth than this car. It's going to be more of a transformation than this car. This car is just like, kind of like turning it up a bit, you know, throwing some hot sauce on it, where Brian's 240 is kind of like not an overhaul, but quite a big facelift. So that one's going to be really satisfying to watch and to work on for us. So stay tuned for that. So what's really cool is we have some plans to do some different vlog style videos. We're going to a show and shine this coming weekend. This coming weekend we're going to a show and shine down in a place called Okotoks. So there's going to be tons of cool cars there. We're going to film that. We did go to a show here called Driven, and we quickly realized like we need to film better. So that one was just a learning experience for us. But yeah, we want to do car show vlogs. Also in a couple weeks, I'll be going on a really large car cruise out to the mountains with a local local shop that does wraps and tints and stuff like that. They're called AYYY Custom Decals. And so we're going out with those guys. It's supposed to be a massive cruise. It's supposed to be like 400 cars already registered. So I'm gonna vlog and film all that, maybe get some good B-roll of us ripping through the mountains and just see all the other cars. I'm a pretty slutty car guy, if you will. I love like all cars, man, and I love seeing what people do to them. A lot of the stuff I see is definitely like not my taste, but I'm of the mindset of like if it makes that owner happy, that makes me happy. So just seeing people excited about their cars is so rad, and I love seeing the creativity and the uniqueness coming out of the car culture right now. So I'm just super excited for that one because I'll get to see all the different cars and what like the local guys have done to it. So yeah, lots to look forward to. More Focus RS videos, 240 SX videos, as well as going to like some show and shines, and a couple more vlogs, doing that big car crew vlog as well. So lots to look forward to in the coming weeks. And hopefully it doesn't take us a whole month to get out the next video. Thanks again for sticking around and being patient with us, and thank you so much for understanding. But other than that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.